Everyone, welcome back to our channel Arunodayam Creations. Let us know answers for practice paper 2 on 1 mark questions from nutrition lesson. First, write one example of a heterotrophic plant, cuscuta or dodder plant. Second, what is the internal factor for photosynthesis? Chlorophyll. Next, look at the following equation, answer the questions. So this is the equation. What is the name of this reaction? Emulsification. So in emulsification reaction, the fats are turned into fat globules by bile. Which gland plays major role in this reaction? Liver. Liver produces bile and helps in the process of emulsification. So you have to write liver here. Next, fourth question. Which vitamin deficiency causes diseases related to bones? Vitamin D, calciferol. Calciferol deficiency leads to the diseases which are related to bones. Next, fifth question. So here 4 types of leaves were given. What is the correct leaf for carbon dioxide experiment for photosynthesis? Actually, in moles half leaf experiment, we have to insert half of the leaf into bottle and we have to keep the remaining half outside. So for that, the second type of leaf is suitable. So this leaf is narrow in nature, which is suitable to insert half into bottle. So we have to choose this one. Next, sixth question. You are planning to conduct hydrilla experiment to prove that oxygen is produced during photosynthesis, but hydrilla twigs are not available. What will you do? What alternative plants you will take? We can take Elodea plants, which are also aquatic plants. Elodea plants. Next, complete this flow chart. Photosynthesis has 2 reactions, light reaction and dark reaction. Light reaction takes place in grana, while dark reaction takes place in stroma of chloroplast. Stroma. Next, what type of teeth we will use to cut an apple? 8th question. We will use incisors. First, front teeth. We will use incisors. They are sharp in nature, which are useful for biting purpose. So we will use incisors to cut an apple. Next, 9th question. The 3 Ds, diarrhea, dermatitis and dementia, are the symptoms of which disease? Pellagra disease. Pellagra, which is caused due to deficiency of vitamin B3, that is niacin. 10th question. Arrange the flowchart in correct order. So this flowchart belongs to digestion. Buccal cavity. From there food enters into pharynx. From pharynx it enters into food pipe, that is esophagus. From there to pyloric stomach. From there to duodenum. So the correct order is buccal cavity to pharynx to esophagus to pyloric stomach and to duodenum. Next, 11th question. Complete the table. Type of food, carbohydrates, and their end products are glucose. Proteins, end products are amino acids. Proteins are digested and ultimately they'll produce amino acids as end products. Next, 12th question. Find out who am I. I am a vitamin. Healing of wounds does not take place in the absence of me. Found in citrus fruits. So obviously vitamin C as ascorbic acid. Next, 13th question. What questions will you ask a doctor to know about malnutrition? So we can write any 2 questions like what is malnutrition? What are the different types of malnutrition? How can we overcome malnutrition? Or what are the causes for malnutrition? So like this you can ask any 2 questions for 1 mark. Next, what is the enzyme involved in the following reaction? Fat globules gives rise to fatty acids plus glycerol. Lipase. Lipase enzyme acts on fat globules and converts them into fatty acids and glycerol. So you have to write lipase here. 15th question. Fill this flowchart. Vitamins. Vitamin A, chemical name is retinol. D, calciferol. E, tocopherol. Vitamin K, chemical name is phylloquinone. Those are the answers for our practice paper 2. So please comment your marks in comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Jai Hind.